He's in agony.
You're a faker. Nana.
Oh, he's mad at you now. He's gonna get up
Hi,
and...
Jocelyn? Is this Jocelyn? Yes?
Oh, he hit his head.
Are you serious? All right, thank you.
Dee, dee, dee.
Watch your head. Come here, baby.
He's doing the mermaid.
Come here. Go.
He said, Mama, don't.
He said, Mama, go. I love my baby. Don't hit me. You hit me, you're going to get time out.
You know what he does to me when he does that?
Uh-oh.
Baby.
Honey. 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 Help me. Honey. Help me. Come on, get up. Get up. Up. Oh. Wow.
Jasmine, the pool's open from 4 to 6. You want to go swimming if you let Jenny and